Tasso Audio has been officially designated as the sound brand for African presidential election. For this event, Tasso Audio utilized 48 large 3-way passive line array PT960 speakers, paired with 24 pieces dual 18-inch high power passive subwoofers PT960B, and 24 pieces 15-inch coaxial passive stage monitors. With long-range projection, clear and loud sound quality, and zero noise interference, our equipment ensured comprehensive, no-dead zone coverage for the over 80,000-person venue. Choose Tasso Audio for your high-end events. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with superior quality.